Welcome to the Auto Expert. Today, we're diving deep into every detail of the all-new 2025 Hyundai KONA, a vehicle that redefines what you can expect from a compact SUV. The 2025 KONA represents a bold leap forward in design, performance, and technology, combining Hyundai's signature quality with innovative features aimed at enhancing every aspect of the driving experience. At first glance, the KONA impresses with its refreshed exterior that blends modern aesthetics with aerodynamic efficiency. The redesigned front grille, now larger and more imposing, is framed by sharply styled LED headlights that not only add to the vehicle's aggressive stance, but also improve nighttime visibility. The sculpted body lines and carefully integrated accents give the car a dynamic appearance, making it stand out in crowded parking lots and on the highway alike. Hyundai has clearly focused on creating a vehicle that appeals to drivers who crave both style and substance. Under the hood, the 2025 KONA offers a range of powertrains designed to cater to different driving needs. For those who enjoy the traditional thrill of a combustion engine, Hyundai has refined its turbocharged options to deliver a perfect balance between responsive acceleration and fuel efficiency. The engine is engineered for everyday performance, ensuring that whether you're merging onto a busy highway or navigating city streets, you have the power you need at your fingertips. Meanwhile, Hyundai has not forgotten the environmentally conscious driver. The all-electric variant of the KONA builds on the success of previous electric models by incorporating advanced battery technology that not only increases range, but also significantly reduces charging times. This electric version comes equipped with fast charging capabilities, allowing you to gain substantial range in just minutes, making it ideal for urban commuting and longer road trips alike. Inside, the 2025 Hyundai KONA offers a cabin that is as technologically advanced as it is comfortable. The interior has been completely reimagined to provide a driver-centric environment where every control is intuitively placed. Premium materials and thoughtful design create a sense of refinement, while the spacious layout ensures that both driver and passengers enjoy ample legroom and comfort. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large, high-resolution touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling seamless smartphone integration. In addition to an advanced infotainment system, the KONA also features a digital instrument cluster that provides critical information at a glance, from speed and navigation to energy consumption and battery status for the electric model. A sophisticated sound system fills the cabin with rich audio, further enhancing the overall driving experience. Hyundai has also integrated a host of connectivity features designed to make your life easier. With the dedicated mobile app, you can remotely monitor your vehicle's status, precondition the cabin before you even step inside, and locate your car in crowded parking areas. This level of connectivity is complemented by an array of driver assistance technologies that ensure safety remains a top priority. Standard features include forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. A network of sensors and cameras continuously monitors the surroundings, providing real-time feedback and, when necessary, taking corrective actions to help prevent accident. The advanced safety suite not only protects you and your passengers, but also contributes to a more relaxed driving experience, even in heavy traffic or adverse weather conditions. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2025 Hyundai KONA is how it marries style, performance, and sustainability into one compact package. Hyundai has worked tirelessly to ensure that every detail of the KONA, from its bold exterior to its state-of-the-art interior, is designed to meet the needs of today's discerning drivers. The vehicle's dynamic design is more than just eye-catching. It's a statement of Hyundai's vision for the future of mobility, where innovation and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. While the precise pricing details vary by trim level and market, early indications suggest that the KONA is set to offer excellent value for money. It provides an attractive mix of advanced technology, refined performance, and modern aesthetics at a competitive price point, making it a compelling option in an increasingly crowded market segment. Every element of the 2025 Hyundai Kona, from its robust powertrain options to its advanced connectivity features and comprehensive safety systems, has been engineered with the modern driver in mind. Whether you are a longtime fan of Hyundai or a newcomer looking for a vehicle that embodies the future of automotive design, the Kona is poised to impress. Its combination of innovative features, eco-friendly options, and striking design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to invest in a car that's built for the challenges of tomorrow. Stay tuned to the Auto Expert as we continue to bring you the latest updates, detailed reviews, and in-depth insights into the world of automotive innovation. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the impressive features of the all-new 2025 Hyundai Kona, and we look forward to sharing more exciting news with you in the near future.